Instrumentaria, a company with a long tradition and a huge catalogue of equipment for the medical profession, and the complete range of manufacturing processes on one site. Instrumentaria's production capability ranges from forging to finishing, including quality control and packaging. The company's catalogue lists 5,000 items, from hip prostheses to plates, nails and screws, tools for surgeons, dentists and vets, and laboratory equipment. Instruments and devices conform to European and international standards. The company's research draws on its own design team, as well as university, hospital and computer specialists.
Our values are based on tradition, expertise and innovation. I am CEO of Instrumentaria and my name is Vladimir Kovačević.
The company was the inspiration of 19th century innovator Jakub Hlavka. His Zagreb factory manufactured and repaired hospital equipment, especially orthopedic implants. The business expanded throughout the 20th century, taking the name Instrumentaria after the First World War and moving to a new site after the Second. The 70s brought increasing automation and expanding exports. Except for a period in the 80s, production continued uninterrupted, especially during the Yugoslav war in the 90s, when the factory worked 24 hours a day and through the blackout. It remains the only such business in Croatia. The company is based in the capital, Zagreb. The city has been an important centre for centuries, and today, as a manufacturing and trading hub, it's at the heart of modern Europe. Instrumentaria never stands still. Research and development are key parts of the company's operations. Its research team is driven by the need to solve medical and surgical problems.
Our mission is to satisfy doctors and patients with standard and custom-made products of the highest quality. Doctors are part of our development team, and they help us adapt and modify products and even help us design new ones.
I'm Martin Trummer. I'm a neurosurgeon working in Graz, Austria at the University Hospital. Neurosurgeons like me are always looking for reliable and economic solutions. Therefore, it's very useful to work closely with the manufacturers so that we can develop new approaches to meet the patient's needs.
The company's R&D department uses the latest computer-aided technology to turn designs into reality. And then they call on the expertise of the production department. Instrumentaria works with corrosion-resistant stainless steel of surgical quality, as well as commercially pure titanium and titanium alloy. Here, metal bars, first cut, turned and bent, are heated, then pressed in the first stages of creating a hip implant.
I'm Štefica Švec and I'm Technical Director. Instrumentaria is one of very few companies in Europe which forge their own instruments and implants.
A patented sensor prevents the machine working unless the metal is at the correct temperature. This is where the stem of a hip prosthesis, made of titanium aluminium alloy, is milled and turned. The tapered edge must fit snugly into the head of the replacement hip, and the measurements are critical.
I'm Aleksandar Pejković, manager in charge of quality control and regulation. The surgeon can be reassured that he will get exactly what he will need.
Ultrasonic baths remove all grease from the finished instruments, such as these proximal femoral nails. The temperature and conductivity of the baths are constantly monitored. After drying, products, like the nails, are subjected to electro-polishing with temperature and acidity controlled and maintained. Each implant manufactured by Instrumentaria, like the stem of this hip implant, is subjected to quality control and inspection using 3D scanner technology. White light scanners view the product from all angles so that it can be compared with the specification and and checked that it meets the original design. And where the interrelation of two surfaces is critical, like the stem and head of a hip implant, the degree of taper is checked with state-of-the-art machinery and software.
This is the most important department in our production line. Our control team inspects each product to check that it conforms to the design.
In a clean chamber where the particles per cubic meter are less than 0.5, implants are packed and later boxed for dispatch. Instrumentaria is a distributor for major medical suppliers. Its own products are used in hospitals and clinics across Europe. Instrumentaria not only manufactures under its own name, but other companies' products under license. Extending its range of partnerships is a logical next step.
We offer exactly the same quality, speedy and flexible response times, and secure delivery and competitive pricing. That makes us very attractive to potential partners.
Instrumentaria, a forward-thinking business which could be part of your future.